to ML in a Minute. I'm Kaylee here at RoboFlow, joined today by Joseph, the CEO of RoboFlow. In today's video, we're going to talk about TFLite. So Joseph, what is TFLite?
TFLite stands for Tensorflow Lite, is the TensorFlow open source framework for doing on-device inference. And so when you're doing inference on device, you typically want to work with models that are smaller and have lower latency and are quicker. And so TFLite is basically a model format that allows you to convert your neural networks into a format that works better on mobile devices or in embedded conditions. You could use it for your natural language processing models just as much as your computer vision models, or really most any model you build in TensorFlow. In computer vision land, that's usually something like MobileNet SSD v2 and models like this. So ultimately, it's a open source model framework format for on-device inference in the TensorFlow ecosystem.
Awesome. Thank you. That's been another ML in a Minute. If you like this video and you want more like it, please be sure to subscribe and you'll be in the loop as new ones come out. See you on the next one.